Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Saws on the Farm. I got a Dayton here. This is a 3.6 cubic inch. It's basically a Poulan 306A. They also did the 245A as well. And I believe this model 2Z462 is the 3.6, and the 2Z463 I believe is the 245A equivalent. Yeah, everything is completely interchangeable with a Poulan, I guess. It's just a different color. So I took this out real quick, tried to do some cutting with it. I have the worst chain in the world on here. I cannot stand those rakers like that. Yeah, they're really a pain just to try to file them and everything. But anyway, this chain was super dull. I just threw it on here real quick to try it out, and having some issues with the carb. I think I got an air leak. It looks like this screw hole goes down through the top of the intake boot. I don't know if somebody tried to drill it deeper or something, but I think it's an air leak straight into the intakes. Anyway, I got to figure something else out. I may have to take that intake off and then JB weld it up from the inside and do something about a shorter screw a little bit so it doesn't poke through. But anyway, just figured I'd do a quick video on this. Yeah, Dayton. Just like the Poulan. You can see the tag right there. But yeah, basically a Poulan 306A. Made by Poulan for Dayton. Thanks for watching, guys.